Okay, welcome back children. We are starting with the trivies of page 96. We studied the complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Complementary angles when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly for supplementary angles, what did we study? When the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. So trivies of page 96 is based on this only children, that is the supplementary angles, because complementary वाला हम already कर चुके हैं. So try these. Find the pair of supplementary angles in figure 5.7. Means there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of angles given. We have to find whether they are supplementary or not. So when can they be supplementary? जब उनका sum कितना होना चाहिए? Straight angle, that is 180 degree. So we have to check here only. We will do it in book only. This is not the work to be done in copy. First one का पहला, it is 110 plus 50 degree. We are going to add the two angles. Two different angles are given. You can see two different angles are given. Okay, we'll just add. यहाँ पे नीचे हम add करके देख लेंगे. So it is 160 degree. Is it equal to 180? No. So answer is what? No. So this completes the first one. Then we go to the second one. It is 105 plus 65. So 5 will give us 10. 170 degree. Once again, it's a no. Then we go to the third one. Third one is 50 degree plus 130 degree. So this comes out to be 180 degree. So it's a yes. Going to the fourth one. It's 45 plus 45, which is 90. And it will be no. It's a complementary angle. Instead of a supplementary angle, it's a complementary. The angles are complementary. Okay. So now the second one we will start. Question number 1 we have completed. Now we go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, what will be the measure of supplement angle of each of the following? So if out of the two supplementary angles, one angle is 100 degree, what should be the second angle? Okay, means इसका जो supplement angle होगा वो क्या होगा? Means when we add this and that particular angle, the answer should be 180 degree. Very simple. If we remove 100 from 180 degree, we will come to know. So what to do? 180 minus 100. So answer is what? 80 degree. Okay, means 100 degree angle and 80 degree angle are supplementary. Similarly for 90, we are going to subtract 180 minus 90, which will give us 90 degree. So the second angle is what? 90 degree. Third one, 55 degree. So you are going to subtract 180 degree minus 55 degree. So it will be 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 7 minus 5 is 2 and this remains 1. It is 125 degree. This completes the third one. We do the fourth one. I am doing it here. Fourth one is how much? 125 degree. So we subtract 180 and 125 and in return we get this 55. You can see. So this completes 1, 2, 3, 4th. Question number 2. Now we go to question number 3. Among two supplementary angles means if you add the two supplementary angles, your total should come out to be 180 degrees. So among the two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle. The measure of the larger means हम किसी को भी इन दोनों में से larger angle मान लेते हैं. So the measure of the larger angle is 44 more than the smaller angle. So if you take the smaller angle as x, then the larger angle will be x plus 44 degrees. Yes. So we have to find the two angles. Yes. Find their measures. So this becomes this 44 will be shifted this side, so it is positive, it becomes negative, and this becomes 2x. So 180 minus 180 minus 44 is 136. So this 2 will be shifted here, it will be transposed. 6 are 12, 8 are 16. So the value of x is 68. Yes, so one angle is 68, the other will be, this is one angle, other angle will be x plus 44, that is 68 plus 44, 112 degrees. Okay, so these two are your answers. This completes the trivies of page 97. Now we go to the next topic. Okay, we go to the next topic. I will first make a figure. Something like this. The figure is made in your book. Okay, it is the figure of your book only. आपकी किताब. These are some pages, these are some pages, and these are some pages. So it is open. Okay, how it is opened, I'll show you. It is opened something like this. Can you see? It is opened something like this. Here there is one angle and here there is one angle. Let's do it. Here it is forming one angle. Okay, पूरा का पूरा. It is forming one angle. The page है, and here it is forming one angle, angle 2. So let's mark it A, O, B and C. So angle A, O, B and B, O, C. Anything common you can see here, children? Anything common? Yes, you can see a vertex, common vertex. Vertex is common for these two angles. Vertex is common. Yes, what else you can see? It has a common arm. This OB arm is common. Common arm. Yes, it has a common arm. And what else? The two non-common arms. These two are non-common arms. The two non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. Yes? So, third one. 2 non-common arms are on the either side, मतलब दोनों तरफ, either side of the common arm. Okay, got it? So this is one angle and this is one angle. This is the common arm. This is the common vertex. These are the uncommon arms which are on the either side of the common arm. So when these types of conditions you get, okay, where a vertex is common, arm is common, then those two angles, the two angles which are formed are known as adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles. For example, if I make like this. So angle AOB is adjacent to angle BOC. Got it? Angle AOB is adjacent to angle BOC. Why? Because they are sharing a vertex and they are sharing a common arm. Okay. Now if I talk about angle AOC, angle AOC and angle AOB, angle AOB, this one. Are they adjacent? In this case they are not adjacent. Why? Because AOB is a part of AOC. Got it? AOB is a part of AOC. So this is not adjacent. This case, this is not adjacent. Adjacent is possible only when they share a common vertex or a common arm. And here, they were not sharing this, no? They were not sharing any arm. Clear? So this is the reason. Also, you can say that this angle AOB was part of AOC. So how it can be an adjacent angle? It is a part of the angle. It is the inner angle for an angle AOC. Got it? So confuse mat hona. So this completes one topic, that is adjacent angles. There is trides for this angle, this also. Yes, you can see trides is given in page 97. So we are going to do that also. Trides in page 97, children. Also in book. Are the angles marked 1 and 2 are adjacent? So we have to find out whether the angles marked are adjacent or not. So the first one is this. Second one is this. Third one is this. So we have to find out whether they are adjacent or not. You can see this is adjacent. Yes. So this is adjacent. You can write here yes. This is also adjacent. Is this adjacent? No. The vertex is not common. Yes. So this is what? This is no. Then fourth and fifth is also there.